Yeah, my name is Soup Nodere, aka Adiverse. Please, if you love Mr. Soup, jam your head together. I did tell my friend, I said it will say the way guests they value their human hair, Brazilian hair. It will say the way guests they handle their hair. If they handle their husband like that, therefore they see single mother. If they show the same love when they show human hair, if they show that same love to their husband, therefore they see single mother, single father. See where guests the cloud of their hair. Social media everywhere. Hi guys, this is my new look, Brazilian hair. How do I look? Wait. Even the Brazil will get the hair, they know they plot like that. Go Brazil, even Brazil, and they don't get hair again. Now I bowl all of them they carry. Because it don't too much Nigeria, they don't take over everything. And anything when Nigeria put hand, they already change, go different. I go MC for one event that day now. I don't know say Brazil girl and Indian girl did the marriage now. And this Brazil and Indian girl now they want to do Ashebi. And now they need to get hair when long. And now you know say now bolo they call the carry. So the Kukuma run go one Nigeria salon. May they just go buy hair. Then they ask the woman, how much for your Brazilian hair? Then the woman say 856,030 naira. For human hair, for Brazilian hair. The first time when I know say, no be only Nigeria they gossip. Even India and Brazil they see they gossip. See where India they gossip Nigeria. The other one reply, Semfion, la kafatain, saint-tessin, saint-fion. And when I translate that for broken English, in the tell and say, I don't tell you. For human hair again, hair will not be their own. If to never say, if to say, now the head will go buy. If they sell for us finish, they will turn us to slave now. They don't will leave us again because now they get us now. It don't too much. And they tell people say anything when Nigeria put hand, it is already different. Now Nigeria go ram. Nigeria now they make champagne the cost. Champagne, you will go crop now for Nigeria. They'll tell you say casket 2.2 million for champagne. 12 volume. You know the hell. Waiting. Even people when do champagne, they know they drink. Go Europe now. Europe will buy one bottle 2 weeks. They see they drink them. But make one Nigerian person enter your house. If you let me, you get carton of NEC. If you don't finish, you know they go house. What did they happen? Anything when Nigeria just put hand, it is different. We take amazing everything. They will just turn out to competition. Only Nigeria then you go. In name whether they give cars for Nigeria. I don't know whether they see names whether they give car. Go Nigeria, you will see Evotron, Evo Spirit, Orobo Camry, Venza, Lexus. I go Europe, all those names, I don't see them. The only thing where I know say Europe get now Fiat, Mercedes Benz, BMW, all those Evotron, Evo Spirit, I don't see them. Since when I go Europe, now only 2 times I see Lexus. And when I look inside a black man, now they drive the Lexus. And I know say that Nigeria they buy the Lexus carry and call Europe. Because Nigeria for they like what get name, that they give a name. What thing? Everything once you enter Nigeria, you will change. Even for Libya, when Libya rain, go check out the time when Libya rain come, go check out when Ghana, Togo, Niger, all those people when they enter Europe, they will tell you 70,000. You don't reach Europe with peace. Until when they reach Nigeria, as you enter Nigeria, everything change. Kidnapping starts, killing starts. Especially Benin and Igbo, they turn into business. See where Igbo person now go they tell Arabu, this boy when they flood, kidnap him. I know her for house, kidnap and they get money. Can you imagine? Kidnapping, we go teach Arabu how to kidnap. Everything change. Turn out to business, Benin they do their own, Igbo they do their own. Europe, when they Libya, when you go before they come, they hear killing, they hear kidnapping. So when they just enter, everything change. I did house one day now when they hear say one boy they call his brother when they Europe. He say, bros, I won't come Europe. Now your brother could say, okay, find person when will carry you come. Ask him how much. Now the boy go, he come back. As he come back, he call his brother, say, the person say to reach Europe now 500,000 but kidnapping money 300,000. You see, because he must hold kidnapping money in case of cases the kidnapper. And even the person who want carry, he knows say they must kidnap him because now him won't do the kidnapping. He go just put Arabu for front. What did they happen? It don't too much. I bet if you lost soup, not they show some love. God bless you. Now so, even the time when we come Europe now, there is nothing like second hand. There's nothing like a Sunday market. Even people when come before me, they go see tell you. Enter any street for Europe, you go see say they drop fridge for you drop fish for corner, they drop this thing, television, anything. They'll just drop and you see a pick for free, even for anything. Igbo and Benin that they make a change. As Nigeria enter Europe, especially Igbo and Benin, they turn out to business. One day at the work, see where Igbo and one black person that they discuss. The Igbo they tell us say, I don't need this. If you can take it away, just take it away. I don't need it. Benin just waka enter, Igbo just waka enter. Oh, but quite business here. Oh. Now Benin just enter. The motor na yama. See where they come they debate with money. The Igbo person they tell us say, I will give you 500 euro. The Benin they tell us I will give you 550. Then they debate. For car, when Oyibo be one dash person for free, the price at 550. Can you imagine? What did they saw? After 3 weeks, now we call the CC market, come deal that they call it Sunday market too. Even all the weeks come get market, or Monday market, or Tuesday market, Wednesday market, Thursday market, Friday market, Saturday market, Sunday market. To the extent that even Igbo people come even the advertiser for online. Una second hand market here, television second hand, fridge second hand, laptop second hand, telephone second hand. Grab your own now. Waiting. Una change everything. Anything una touch, now just pull hand. It will change. Is it that they cause or it will be difficult? Yes, they do that for business. Now, Jamie, I go. I can say that they see what that they call eBay. That eBay now, you go put something for free, give you the address, come carry something for free, come carry free, come carry television free. Now, still Nigeria person make that thing not they happen again. They go Igbo house, go carry free television for free. They go open their own Facebook market, go put post them for Facebook. For sale, put money. Where for shock? One of my guy go carry fridge for eBay for free. He go post am for your Facebook page. Write 150. 150 euro. Now the person when you follow her buy her now Oyibo. The Oyibo when you buy her now as he carry her reach house, not knowing that he had that brother and he dash the fridge out. For free, and now a younger brother can go buy her with money 150. Can you imagine? As he see no brother come, you see the fridge. What do you see this fridge? This is my fridge. He said, "Yeah, I just buy the fridge yesterday from Nigeria person. How much did you buy it? I bought it 150 euro. Can you imagine? We open their eye. Now tell me, what else do you expect now? Next time you cannot see that kind of thing for free. Oyibo man dash you something and you sell it for your brother. Everywhere they make it difficult. What did they happen? Now still Nigeria person you go see say for Europe here, who never even do that go they advise who want to build house? After that your house when you want to do, just try put parapet. The fence, you will use ties, stay food the fence. You go to advise you the way you go take do your own house. Like say now you get the money. It easy now you never to build your own. Competition. What happen? Even for Nigeria now, everything don't change. Now even know say no be only PDP and APC they change party. Everybody they change your party now. For Nigeria now, Christmas never even can see where Taylor the gossip hairdresser now. Boy, they don't feel mind their business again. No. They just come up for their own business and they mind another person's business. Wherever I say this Taylor not they move again, no, will change enter hairdresser. Even that time when I did small self now hairdresser, I just have it played well. Now my man come even force me make an let Taylor. You know, if you have patient again, no patient. No patient. Everybody now the job. You do this one job. Now the same Nigeria person you will see for European. If you just hear say a friend go France. After 1 month, you don't wear better thing. You don't discourage. Oh boy, man, don't they do well. Since when man just go France, you don't they do well. You go just pack it things. You don't even tell landlord you go don't wrong. Problem. You don't enter there. If you still reach the France now, if you hear say August day Holland now. Oh boy, since when August enter Holland, you know they do well. See gadget, see. Now gadget they look, you know even they look how it take. It don't change over to Holland. Now so that they waka up and down for everywhere. Then nothing where they get. Just they waka around everywhere. What did they happen? No patient, no horse, nothing. Waiting. The street don't hard now, my brother. The street don't hard. Everywhere now, everybody they change over. Even just last week for you now, I see Fuke now. He sing music. Even Fisher that Yoruba guy. That Yoruba girl. He Fisher now. I see the music, I say, from Nollywood to musical. I can't even imagine say the latest when you go play come out now, you just see and say, Fuke feature Missy Johnson. Because everybody don't they cross now. Nobody know what you want to do again. No patience for your anything they do now. Don't they have patience again? Once you see say this one now don't they make them pass you. You don't come up for your go that one. That's the problem when a lot of people get for Nigeria. They don't have patience for that. For anything that they do now, they know they have patience. Even that they do comedy now, they verse. They'll say, see this one. She'll say, if you do this comedy, go and sit down. Because they see all those people that they do, and then make you, we'll see where you will do and reach. They'll just they pray for bad thing for you. So they'll make them support you. What did they happen? I just tired. If you lost soup, not they please jam your head together. God bless. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Now, even for the same Nigeria, at the time you say, see, you will go Nigeria, person will wear clothes for head to toe. Now, boss have been home. At the time people say, giver never lack, not before Nigeria person. Because if you are a Nigeria person, if you are a Nigeria giver, Nigeria receiver ready to receive for your hand until you lack. Go Nigeria and a person will get pumpkin leaf and bitter leaf for backyard. People will come to pluck them for free. Giver never lack. And if the owner need pumpkin leaf, he will go buy. Not before Nigeria or giver never lack. And Nigeria, you will go church, pastor go they threaten you. Giver never lack. So I see that will provoke the Lord. One of my guy now, he was a big man before, but now he don't poor. He don't give. To say he can't poor. He can see go meet the pastor say, that is my business. No, they move again. Listen, to all those pastors, you can never hold them. They must get artists to hold you. You can't ask him, how much do you have in account now? Now the guy tell him, say 30,000. He say, can you empty your account for God? Can you imagine? Sow a seed to succeed. Not be for Nigeria. People when they sow seed for Nigeria, that they suffer pass. Who know they sow seed now, that they enjoy. Believe me or you leave it. Country when we say the leaders, the lack of wisdom. Giver never lack. Country when they give the neighboring country lights. Those neighboring country will get lights. The giver no go get lights. That one country, giver never lack. See, now go Nigeria. Not only Nigeria, you go see one of my guy now, he buy jeans 10,000, you know it around. You know, say, and they tell people, say, if Nigeria person no buy something, you know, use money buy something, you know the value am. One of my guy buy jeans 10,000. You know, enter and I dash a friend. The next day, see a friend, they use and they go farm. He paid the guy for body 10,000. If he come back for 5 years and go do Okada. Where I know say so Nigerian people they're really wicked. When this jeans spoil, you know say when you don't wear jeans sometimes it will come free for your body, you will come like them. The jeans can't spoil. You can go market, want go buy the same jeans. As he read them and say 12,500. They don't add joy. He say, 12,500. And he like I know girl shop, he can buy the jeans. As he carry the jeans, reach house. If you don't hear say that they do grooving, you know they wear them. Anywhere crop day, now they wear the jeans. You know they wear ordinary day. And that jeans day like this. If he brother or his sister, you know sister, carry oil near that jeans, he will nearly kill him. He value and die because he know how much they buy him. But when they give him for free, he no value him. Nigeria people. Not only Nigeria you go. Person will use jeans when you tear, go church. He get new jeans when you buy. You go use jeans when you tear, go church. But if you come back for church, you go rebath again. Come wear that new jeans. Go party. Go club. Nigeria people. At the end of the day, say, God, when you will bless me now. It's no matter because Nigeria, I tell people within Nigeria, we say, I already tell them, please calm down, settle, relax your mind, plan well. This is Nigeria, look at Nigeria girls now. Now Nigeria, you will see, they go engage girl. The engagement will spend 1 year for a hand. The girl will abandon her engagement ring. They will do birthday for them. You will ask them, you never see do marriage. You go tell say, my God say money no deal. Never get money now. You will go ask her, your birthday they cook rice. You say yes. They buy drink, yes. They do cake, yes. They cook rice, yes. Okay, wait till you need to do the birthday again. To do the marriage again. The only different way day now the 25 naira when you want to go put for Nigeria. You go abandon your wedding ring, they do birthday. Nigeria girls. When una go get sense? If I see the talk, I know they believe. If you love soup, know that they jam your head together. God bless. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. No be small thing. I dey tell people, even at the condition they go now, even our man, he called me yesterday now. Our pig, when we get for house now, they don't cut for inside. The pig never die. They cut the lap. They pull and come out. At least that one will reach for Christmas. The pig will come out now. Still they alive, but they cut the flesh. I'll go Nigeria. Even Nigeria now you will see the time when they want thief your goat. That I said, wait till they pay me if thief when in Nigeria. Some thief when in Nigeria. Wait till they pay me. They can't thief your goat, not pay me. Now the appointment when you get to go, if they break, when they don't allow you go. I don't know which of those people they spread though. They will just spread something for your house. Now you lock, as you push gate, the goat enter house, now you lock the door. The next day you will open the door, carry goat come out of 10, you will see 8. How did it happen? You will even, when you will wake up 12 o'clock, you don't miss your appointment. They spend something, you go sleep, forget yourself. Nigeria thief. Fear them all. God bless you all. If you love soup, no they jam your head together. God bless you. Now we day here now. We know they fear for comedy. We day 24 hours. God bless you all. Show some love. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, MC Soup No Dey. Follow me on Instagram at MC Soup. Please guys, we are begging. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are begging. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are begging. Please.